Hey! How was it?
Good.
It was good? Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you like about skiing?
Nice stop, too, right in front of Mommy. Like,
What do you like?
I don't really have to get myself moving because it just kind of goes straight down without me trying to tug it down.
Uh-huh. And so you like skiing?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Anything else you want to say to the camera?
You want to show the camera your tooth?
I can see the tooth. Nice. All right, do you want to go again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
One more time.
One more
She
time.
wants hot cocoa, too.
Okay, we'll have to accommodate that.